Come, donkey. Hello, Yellow.
Hello, Yellow. So this is our date night idea for tonight. We're gonna use this bowl to determine which takeaway we are gonna eat.
Date night, Netflix and chill.
Okay, so Scott, you have to pull one and read what's on the card, and then the last one that's left is the takeaway we have. So
I'm really lost for Domino's. If this is Domino's, I'm going to be very upset.
okay, so we are not having.
We're not having Pepe's chicken.
Pepe's
Sorry, Pepe.
chicken.
Your chicken lives another day.
I actually wanted that one because we haven't tried that yet. Okay. We are not having Domino's. Sorry.
We're not having Robin's Nest. I like Robin's Nest.
Yeah, that was actually a nice one. We are not having KFC. Dankie toch. Het is al uitgeklak.
We're not having McDonald's. What is left? That's all the good.
We are not. My corpus was here. We are not having Super Bowl. That was our local takeaway.
We're not having Burger King.
Oh no! I wanted a Whopper.
Looks like I need to whopper you.
We are not having a Chippy. Oh no.
What is left? Tomato broodjies. We're not having Chinese. So what are we having?
What are we having? Oh, we're having stone-fired pizza.
What does that mean?
It's the pizza place up the road.
Oh, yay! I wanted pizza, but I wanted Domino's.
Okay, we can swap to Domino's.
No,
Okay.
stone-fired pizza it is.
Yeah.
What?
Anyway, you're met een later dag. Bye.
Okay, bye.